I just wanted to show you the pen that I made for my husband. I went ahead and did the brick in the background. I went ahead and printed a Lego Batman. I colored it with some markers. And then I did the brick freehand and I colored the bottom and I did the wording on it. And my son right now, he's working on doing his, is it Lucas? It's Ness. Okay, so he's doing Ness right now, and he's actually going to be doing the Snoopy. He has it over there. So we're going to work on doing those pens right now. And my daughter's still doing her spelling. She's almost done with it. And then she'll be doing her art. So this is the other pen that we made for Christmas. I did Patrick, and my kids did SpongeBob. And so this is my husband's, and I also had another one that I did. Hold on, let me show you. I was working on one right now. I was doing a little donkey, but I need to put the glue on it. Is the one that my daughter picked out, which is the Pinkie Pie, and then
Pinkie Pie.
Pinkie Pie, that's what I said. Pinkie Pie, and then she's also going to do the Snoopy one. And they're going to add some stuff to the background, so yeah. I'll show you how those turn out once we're done with them. Hey guys, okay, I'm super proud of my son. He just ended up doing his spelling test. He got 100. These were his words. He got them all right. And so, he did a great job, so he gets a sticker for that.
Yes.
He's still working on his
Snoopy.
And
I just finished my nest.
Doing some freestyling on there. You need to put something on the background, okay? I don't know what you want to do, but
like some grass.
You can put whatever you want, but add something to it, okay? You're almost done, Princess?
Yes.
Finished making the Snoopy and the Nest pen for my son. So this is the Snoopy. That's how it turned out. And this is the Nest. Now, I was already running out of some of the glue, so it kind of came out kind of wavy, but it's fine. It's cool. And so now he has the 3 of them. 3 now. So that's cool. And we can put them in a little cup for him. And so now he has pens. That's pretty awesome. I really like how they turned out. Okay guys, so this is how this one turned out. This is my little donkey, and I put little hearts on him. My daughter finally took her test, so right now she's gonna, and she actually did pretty good. She ended up getting a 90. So now she's gonna go ahead and do her art. So I cut this one in the shape of a heart to make it a little bit different, and then she's coloring Snoopy right now. I know Snoopy's white with black, so there's not much color to that, but I told her to freestyle some background things that she might like, so that's what she's doing right now. How she did hers. I helped her make a little bit of the tree. She colored it and everything, but this is how she wanted hers. He's laughing about something he's thinking about, and you see a person back there like looking at him. So quite the imagination, huh? And then over here, she's going to go ahead and color Pinkie Pie. This is how it turned out. She wanted some sparkles on it, and so I already went ahead and added all the glitter to it. And now I just need to attach the pens to them. And I'll show you how it looks when they're completely done. This is how hers turned out. They're super cute. We really like them a lot. Definitely go ahead and try this with your kids. I think they would really, really enjoy it. Just print them out. Print out a couple of coloring pages from Google, and then just have them cut it out and just, you know, add some stuff to the background that they want to, like she did here. And yeah, it's just a ton of fun, and they really enjoy it. And adding some sparkles to it, just, you know, they get really happy seeing it. So, yeah. My daughter's doing her exercise now. My son just completed his. So they do the Wii. That's what they do for exercise. exercise. You can see her here on the floor.
That's what you have to do.
So,
My leg's hurting in pieces. My head is hurting. Okay. My legs are hurting.
come on, babe.
I'm trying. Oh, no. That'll make me fall. Okay. Now.
It makes me so happy to see my tree. Puts me in the Christmas spirit. I need to add a little bit more to it, but it makes me happy. I fell. Hi, baby. Caramel.
Quick ears. Want me out?
Yes, get Mia. Caramel. Hi, baby. Hi. What are you doing? Hi. 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 Hi, baby. Hi, Mia.
No.
Hi, Caramel. Hi. Hi, baby. Hi, Mia. Hi, baby. Mia. Hi. Hi.
This.
Hi, baby.
Guys, look. Everyone, look. Here's the dogs. Mia. Camera.
We can't see. Hold on. Oh, there they are.
Look at
Oh, that's so cute.
Camera's sleeping. Mia's just standing.
Look at Anna. Aw.
Look.
Click on them. Mia. Step on, Mia.
Mia.
What is Mia doing? Mia. Step on.
I'm going to show you my scriptures, the Book of Mormon, and here we go to read you the Book of Mormon. Okay, number 12. And it came to pass that as he read, he was filled with the Spirit of the Lord. Means when you get baptized, the Spirit, when you read the scriptures, the Spirit will be so happy.
I don't know why you're whispering.
Me either. Maybe we should watch a movie. Maybe we should watch this movie, The Little Mermaid. Maybe we should watch
You're so silly.
Mama's recording.
Was you?
Yes.
I am. And everybody heard you whispering. The face. I see you. That's pretty cool. That's pretty
There's a
awesome.
secret part around there somewhere. Figure it out.
What is it? What do you mean a secret?
There's a secret hiding part there somewhere.
Well, just tell me.
Since I love you, Jesus Christ, and don't look at this.
Where is it?
It's in the bottom underneath.
Right there. That's funny.
Smack. I said snack.
Really?
A video called Remy's Most Fails.
That's quite a bit, or what?
Yeah, but like.
You have a lot of fails?
Yeah, it's true. One time I was walking and all of a sudden there's a water there, and then while it was at school, I was like that. Everybody said I could fall flat in my face. And it didn't work.
They have work to do. Caramel, start coloring.
Isn't that a squishy?
Read her book. She needs to read a book.
I'll make up my own.
No, you need to read her a Dr. Seuss book.
Today? Today, a book. These. Instead, I like this. So now, let's grab it on my map. Start coloring.
Both of you are going to color together?
Yeah. Let's do work. Oh no.
Ah, dropping your pencils.
I have one like this one. It's the works.
Look how cute Caramela is.
Did you like the scripture, Mia?
No.
Did you?
No.
Did you?
No.
Mia.
No.
Mia.
I don't even
Hey.
care. No, I
Mia.
I know. I don't even care. No, I don't even care.
Princess.
The thing. No, I can't do it.
She's just looking at it.
She's never got this.
Just put it here. Put them here.
What?
She's not going to do anything to it.
I
She doesn't even know what a Lego is. Hi, baby. Hi, princess. Hey. Off the table. Off the table.
Oh, Daddy say
Okay, so this is the one my daughter just finished doing. This is her scripture.
Mamma mia.
So,
Now I shall do a video.
so right now they're going to be doing some English, playing games. It's just a little bit more exciting for them to learn grammar. And so yeah, so this one you can find at www.funenglishgames.com, and there's several games for you to choose from. So I'm having them do this. They're doing punctuation right now.
That one.
The question mark. Very good.
Okay. She wasn't hurt at all.
I need that apostrophe.
I just saw her.
No,
Okay.
that one. And move it over. The other way. Good job.
Well done. Try the next one.
There you go.
And I'm gonna yellow.
No. 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 Oh, you were cold then.
Yes, I am.
Oh no.
Oh, no.
Good job.
Where's my bag?
Okay, now they're working on nouns, adjectives, and verbs.
Hey.
Oh my god. Wait, Mom, they can go on a school trip in France?
Click on two verbs. Verbs, Rihanna. It says verbs. Action or doing words. Very good. They're going to bring. Good job. That was adjectives. Good job. Okay guys, in their binder they have this that I printed for them, so they're able to use that to figure out the problem here. So they're asking, what are they asking? Click on the conjunction. A conjunction is a joining word.
So
A joining word that
what?
links
Oh, it's
two
only
clauses to
one.
make a compound sentence.
Someone.
Good job.
Okay.